President Nelson Chamisa vision of granting farmers title deeds has gained traction, with the government announcing on Tuesday that it is considering offering title deeds to landowners. Azvipere mushe vanhu vonyasa kuona kuti aiwa the regime iri desperate yava kuzama kuda kunotsvaka mapinpoints ese aitogona Nelson Chamisa kuti vamaite kuti maybe they may gain popularity kana kugaina masupporters. Sana mina mashukana mudanyugwa panapa turi subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tibia mudanyugwa mchinzi. Notably, the government stated that this would include farmers who benefited from the controversial land reform program. Critics argue that the government's sudden shift, seemingly aligning with Chamisa's vision, indicates that Chamisa is now setting the national agenda. Some claim that the Zambian government is discreetly implementing his policies, a tacit administration of his influence. Honorable Eric Gono, speaking to Change Radio yesterday, said that Chamisa has proven himself a visionary, with the government now adopting ideas from his blueprint. The irony is palpable. A government once dismissive of Chamisa is now following his lead. Thomas Kwanabudanyogwa panapa ita kuzvinzi vakomana vamudismisa Chamisa vachiti aiwa mukomana uyu hapana chaanoziva, kana achida kungoisa change munyika ngaati joine vakomana ava vachimotaura this and that, but now vakuona kuti they are now following Chamisa's lead. Vakuenda pane mablueprints ese aNelson Chamisa vachinofulfilla point by point, idea by idea. Zvanozobuda pachina kuti aiwa Nelson Chamisa anoremaina ari the legitimate leader wenyika yeZimbabwe. Tudze mafunguro enyu mboti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pina comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell.